Welcome back to Aether Tech. Today, we're doing a quick tutorial on supercharging your Claude desktop app by adding the Higgsfield Model Context Protocol or MCP. Let's dive in. Open Claude, click your profile in the top left, and go to File, then choose Settings. Go to Connectors on the left. Then on Browse Connectors you will notice that Higgsfield is unavailable. Under the Connectors section, you'll want to click on Add Custom Connector. A window will pop up. Type Higgsfield in the name field. For the remote MCP server URL, enter the web address exactly as shown on the screen right now. Take your time, and once that's filled out, go ahead and hit Add. Claude will quickly check the connection. You'll see you aren't connected yet, so click the Connect button. This opens a browser tab to the Higgsfield sign-in page. We'll continue with Google account for login. After signing in, prompt your browser to return to the app and open Claude. And that's it. You're connected and ready to generate images and videos. Drop a like and subscribe to Aether Tech.